Most students preparing for the SAT think vocabulary questions are about vocabulary. Memorize enough words and you'll get them right. That's not how it works. Words in context questions don't test whether you know a word. They test whether you can read how a word is being used in a specific sentence. The dictionary definition doesn't decide the answer. The passage does. Here's how the test is built. The question picks a word with multiple meanings, uses it in a less common sense, then puts its more familiar meaning in the answer choices. A word like deliberate usually means slow and careful. But in the sentence, the researcher made a deliberate choice to omit those findings. It means intentional. The answer choices will include unhurried. It's a real meaning. It's just not the one the passage is using. Students who go straight to the answer choices pick it and move on, confident they got it right. The approach that works is simple. Cover the word, read the sentence without it. Ask what word would naturally fit, given what the passage is saying. Predict something, anything, before you look at the choices. Then match your prediction to the options. Plug your answer back in and check that the sentence holds up. If one sentence isn't enough, read one before and one after. The answer is always in the passage. You just need to find the right window of it. HIROSCORE tracks words in context as a standalone skill. It shows you exactly what it's costing you and what to work on next. Help us test our beta and build something different and better. HIROSCORE.com, spelled with an I. Address is in the profile. You show up.